Welcome to Cad Cafe, and in this tutorial, we're taking you through on how to use the linear sketch pattern. Okay, so our unit is already on MMGS, so let's sketch on the right plane. So let's just go ahead and sketch a circle. Yes, on this plane. Let's sketch a circle, and then uh, let's shift this, and then try to make this on this line. Coincidental. All right, so okay, so let's reduce the dimension of this circle. Let's make it 15. And then probably shift it. Okay, it's actually fixed, so I have to delete. So let's move it. Oh, okay. I'd rather move this. Okay, yeah, I got that. So let's go ahead to make this coincidental again. All right, so that is that. So over to the linear sketch pattern. So this actually has a linear pattern to a drawing, or and it actually makes it of the particular sketch you want. So it makes the sketch you already drawn to duplicate in a linear pattern. So let's just go ahead and then see how it works. So this is our pattern. You select our shape, you select it, and then the distance you want it to space the duplication. Okay, so if I want it to space it by 50 millimeters, that's how it will be. Okay, and then of course the direction is there. The direction I may actually choose to reverse it to the side or take it to the side. Now this is actually the number of patterns I want. Okay, so make it let's make it 10, and then we do the spacing. It's increasing again to all right. So that's 18 patterns spaced spaced at 10 millimeters along the y-axis. Okay, along the y-axis. All right. So and like I said, I might choose to change this direction, but that's not what I want. So sorry about that. So let's just try that again. We got 18. Okay, so all right. So that is that. So this actually tells it to the degrees reference from this point. Okay, all right. There's a point of the circle, the middle point, the midpoint of the circle. That's where it takes reference from. So I may actually shift this and then make it coincidental. All right. Mind you, I have restarted the drawing all over again, so that's why it shifted from this point. Okay, so it's supposed to be on this line, this horizontal line. Okay, so you see that if I increase it, it's actually going up. That's the angle. It's actually increasing. Okay, so and if I'm returning it to zero, it will be horizontal. So you can see that. So and then if I go ahead to say okay, so that is a linear pattern. How does that work? So it actually increases or replicates the shape of drawing linearly along a path. So that is that. All right. So thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe and then drop your comment in the comment section if you have any problem. Have a nice day.